Want to make your Canva videos look super smooth like they were edited in After Effects and perfectly sync to your music beats? Well, today I'll show you how to create stunning transition animations and match them with AI generated music in just a few clicks. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you love creative editing tutorials and AI design hacks, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe because today's combo of Canva and AI music is going to level up your content instantly. Alright, so you can just open Canva and start a new video project. You can hit on video in here in the Canva homepage. So I recommend using the 16:9 size for YouTube or landscape videos. I've already opened it actually, and here you can just upload your photos or short videos that you want to animate. You can also use Canva's free stock videos like I do in here. Under the videos tab, you can just go to elements and search for the keyword and choose video. Now for the fun part, transition, you can just click on between your clips in here and select add a transition. So Canva gives options like, for example, dissolve, color wipe, match and move, or others. So you can just choose which one. I'm going to, let's say, use this one. I think dissolve options like this. You can also do the same with the next clips. Let's try the flow. You can just preview it by clicking on the play button. So that will be the transition. For the first one is dissolve, and the next one like that. So you can adjust the speed and the direction of each transitions in here. Try making some transition fast for beat drops and slower for calmer moments. So next, let's create the perfect beat for your animation using AI music. You can use tools like SoundDraw, Beethoven, or Mobert AI to generate music automatically based on your style. For example, in here I'm using SoundDraw, so you can just choose your genre, mood, or theme. Here I'm using electro and dance, and it will give you some options. In here you can just hit on download to download the music. So once you've downloaded your track, you can head back into Canva and upload it under audio. You can just click on upload, and here click on upload files and choose the audio files that you want to add into the edit. Okay, so for example, this one's right here. You can just hit on open, and here the audio will be uploaded. Now you can just add it into the timeline. You can just drag it to the edit, so drop the music in here, and you can adjust the durations and everything. So now here's well it all comes together syncing, so you can just move your clip slightly so each transition happen right on the beat drop. You can just listen to the song first and just play the preview and pause at the beat and align your clip edge or transitions right there. Just repeat the steps until all of your videos and music comes together. Once your transitions are synced, you can just download. Here you can click on share, tap on download, and choose MP4 video. For best quality, you need to choose the 1080p or HD. And after that, you can just click on download. The Canva will export your smooth beat sync animation in seconds. And that's it. You just learned how to combine Canva transition animation with AI music beat sync to create professional looking edits in minutes. So if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.